Hello, today we will guide you through how to journal on FX Replay. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to open a testing session, access the chart, place a sample trade, and save it to your journal. This is a simple process, and following it carefully will help you keep a clean record of your trading activity for review later. To begin, go to the FX Replay Getting Started page. This is your entry point into the platform, and from here you can navigate to the area where your practice and replay activity is stored. Once the page loads, click on Testing. This section is where you can work with replay trades and track your practice sessions. If you're using FX Replay to improve your strategy, this is an important area to get familiar with. After that, click on Sessions. The Sessions page gives you access to the trading sessions you've already created or worked on. This makes it easy to return to a session and continue from where you left off. Next, click Go to Chart. This will open the chart view for the selected session. The chart is where you'll enter and manage your trade information before saving it to your journal. When the chart opens, click Place Order at the top of the screen. This brings up the order entry panel where you can define the details of the trade you want to record. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering the correct information, especially if you're using the journal to evaluate trade qualities later. Now select either buy or sell depending on the direction of the sample trade you want to enter. Choose the one that matches the setup you're documenting, then enter a sample entry price. This should reflect the price level where the trade is considered to begin. Be as accurate as possible since the entry price is one of the key pieces of data used in your trading journal. Next, enter a sample position size in lots. This tells the platform how large the trade is. If you're practicing, you can use a sample value that matches your usual risk model or testing approach. Once everything is filled in, click Save in Journal. This final step records the trade and adds it to your journal so you can review it later. Journaling is useful because it helps you track patterns, spot mistakes, and build more consistency over time. That's it. You've successfully created and journaled a trade in FX Replay. As you continue practicing, keeping your journal updated can make a big difference in how effectively you analyze and improve your trading performance.